In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the KeyBank Mobile app, an essential tool for managing your finances on the go. Whether you're an iPhone user or prefer Android devices, this guide will walk you through downloading and installing the app quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to locate the app on the appropriate store for your device. For iPhone users, this will be the App Store. For Android users, it's the Play Store. These platforms are where you can find and install all the applications available for your device. Now, open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device. Simply tap the icon and this will bring you to the home page of your chosen store. With the store open, you'll now want to use the search functionality, which is usually represented by a magnifying glass icon. Tap on that and you'll see a search box. Enter KeyBank app into the search bar. Take a moment to ensure your spelling is correct to ensure you bring up accurate results. Once you've entered the name, tap the search button on your device's keyboard or interface. The search results will appear and you should spot the KeyBank app at or near the top of the list. It's important to select the official app as this will be the secure and fully functional application you're looking for. Sometimes multiple apps with similar names may appear, so check that you're choosing the correct one by taking a look at the app icon and verifying it's the genuine product. After you've selected the correct app, you'll be taken to the app's detail page. Here you can find more information about the app, including user reviews and screenshots to give you an idea of what to expect. This is often a good practice to familiarize yourself with the app's features and capabilities. Once you're ready, find that Install button. For iPhone, it may be labeled as Get. Tapping this button will begin the download process. It's important to note that you might need to enter your Apple ID password or confirm the installation via fingerprint or face recognition, depending on your device's settings. Similarly, Android users may need to authorize the download through their Google account. Once you've clicked install and verified your credentials if prompted, the app will begin downloading. You'll notice a progress bar that indicates how much longer you'll need to wait. Once the download is finalized, the app will install automatically and become available from your home screen or app drawer. Now, you're all set to open the KeyBank app and start managing your banking needs directly from your phone, wherever you are.